We're days away from a new year, and in the past, I've done a word of the year, I did a bucket list last year, and this year, I said I wasn't going to do any New Year's resolutions, New Year's, any of the things, but I'm reserving my right to change my mind on this. First of all, I'm not quite sure where 2024 went. It went by in a flash, and the older I get, the more this seems to be the case. It just keeps going by super fast. And for whatever reason, 2024 felt like it had quite a few stressful moments for me, and this phrase keeps popping into my head the last month or so. I don't know where it came from, if I saw it somewhere or heard it. I don't know where it came from, but it keeps popping into my head, and the phrase is protect your peace. So I don't have a word of the year or a New Year's resolution. Maybe we'll call this the mantra for the year, but I don't even know if it's a New Year's mantra because I've been trying to kind of put this front of mind in the end of 2024 while I took some time off from work to enjoy the holidays with the family and just kind of relax. And this phrase is staying front and center in my head. So going into 2025, this is going to be my reminder. So this rock isn't going out into the world. I'm keeping it for myself. And I may take it with me if it has to be at work, if that's where I feel like it needs to be the most, where I need the most reminding to protect my peace, or if I need it at home, maybe I need it in my rock painting area. It's portable, but it's mine. So I'm keeping this as my own little friendly reminder of what I want to focus on, this small piece that I want to focus on that I think has big impacts in our lives. And I specifically chose to use my Thule Art neon markers because they're bright, so they're attention grabbing, and I wanted to keep it a pretty simple design. So I just did some kind of outlining of where I wrote my little phrase, and I'm curious, tell me in the comments what you guys are doing. Do you do the New Year's resolutions? Do you do a word of the year? And then if you are, what is your thing? What's your word? Or maybe I'm never very good at getting boxed into just one word. So if you have more than one word, I totally get it. But what's your resolution or your word or your phrase, or you just don't do any of it? I feel like I'm leaning more and more towards a just don't do any of it kind of person. But this phrase has just been really speaking to me lately. So I thought, what better way than to make it permanent on a rock with bright colors and, of course, some glitter to make it stand out. We might see this design make a comeback because I like how fun and simple it is. It can be done with paint pens. It could be done with acrylic paint and a brush, but it's just very easy and fun, and you could do words or phrases, and I know how much you guys enjoy the simple and fun, beautiful designs, so keep your eyes peeled. This might make a comeback. I hope that your 2024 is coming to a close in a very peaceful and warm and wonderful way, and that you have had a great year and that you are feeling energized or excited about the new year that's coming up. As this year comes to a close, I sure am grateful for each and every one of you that keep showing up every week to watch these videos and comment and interact, and I'm looking forward to even more of that in 2025. Happy New Year!